Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to Shubham Pearls. And these are details. Let's wait for few more people to join to check our diamond collection. See, this is our first diamond collection. Beautiful collection, Andy. Let's start with this piece. See. This is beautiful Swarovski styled earrings and stone necklace and diamond polish. It comes with a screw back earrings, my friends. This is a green one. And coming to the price is just 2,900 rupees. Price is just 2,900 rupees. Then we have even ruby color in this. Then we have a full white color in this. And going to the next design, I'll show the next design. This is a beautiful design. Same color ke teen piece डाले तुमको. Check this piece. This is also beautiful Swarovski stone piece. You can see the stone shine. This is a beautiful piece. These are all premium quality pieces, ma'am. Only 1-2 pieces are available in stock. See this earrings. And this also comes with the screw back earrings, my friends. And coming to the price for this is 4,900 rupees. 4,900 rupees is the price. Beautiful collection. Ma'am, I'm trying to tell each of the prices also. So if you check the video with little time you give us, we'll try to showcase everything. See, even the quality of the stone, shining of the stones is beautiful. The make is beautiful. It's all premium quality. Going to the next design. Again, we have 3 colors in this. Check this. We have red color also in this. We have white color. We have ruby color. So we have 3 shades in this. This is a beautiful collection. See. This is a close-up view of the necklace. And the earrings are beautiful. It comes with screw back earrings. These are all Swarovski styled earrings and necklace. And coming to the price is 3,900 rupees, my friend. This is a green piece. Then we have ruby shaded also in this. And most of these designs you find in most of the exhibitions. This is a white necklace in this. These are 3 pieces that we have in stock ready. Then moving to the next design. Wow. This is a masterpiece from Hazuri Lals. You can check their website or Instagram page. The same piece is also posted there. A masterpiece from Hazuri Lal's design. Check this. And this comes with this pair of earrings. Beautiful pair of earrings, Andy. Check this. Swarovski styled earrings. And even the necklace, bridal necklace. Something should not be missed. The price for this is 5,800 rupees only. 5,800 rupees is the price. These are all premium quality Swarovski crystal stones used for these necklaces. Masterpieces. You will not find it online everywhere. That's our guarantee. These are not the common pieces that you find everywhere. Then we have green also in this. We have green also in this. These are all come with screw back earrings, my friends. Going to the next design. Something really good, I can tell you. Inside this design, this is a pure replica of a diamond jewelry. And this comes with this pair of earrings. It's a screw back earring. The price for this is 4,900 rupees. 4,900 rupees is the price for this piece. And we have a similar piece in this without drops. See this. This is 4,900 rupees, my friends. Beautiful piece. And I'll show you the earrings. Earrings are also very pretty. This comes with screw back and loop earrings. Then moving to the next design, we have a very pretty simple design. We have this this very pretty simple design, and this also comes with screw back earrings, and the price is also very reasonable. Just 2,200 rupees is the price. So very reasonable price with Swarovski crystals. Moving to the next design. Check these pieces. These are all really beautiful pieces. If you are taking some gown or some western wear dresses with some traditional touch you need, you should definitely check these designs. Chala బాగుంటాయండి designs. Total diamond look ఉంటుంది and comes with screw back earrings. You can wear all of this with the confidence. Yes. Such beautiful pieces. These are all single pieces or two pieces in stock. We do not have bulk in this. Unique pieces. Every piece is a unique piece. Then moving to the next design. Wow, this is a bow design. This is very personally, this is my favorite design. It is being made from one of the very popular English jewelry, England based diamond company. So there's a design of them. See, this good look of bow, and even the earrings are very simple. If you are looking for some Sangeet, you want very elegant, you are slim, then you should not miss this piece. Total diamond replica andi. See, beautiful. Yeah. And then going forward, we have one more design. This is a masterpiece, I can tell you. This also we have seen, and we have made it on order for one of our clients, Canada based clients. So this is a diamond design. See, here the finish is not totally gold, shiny gold. This is light dull shade of golden, which is given in the tie shape. See, this is a beautiful knot. Then it comes with this pair of earrings which are matching to this, and a screw back with the loop, support loop. Masterpieces. And this is also very reasonable price of just 3,600 rupees. Price is just 3,600 rupees, which is really reasonable. See the finishing of the stone. You can see this. Yes. And coming forward to the last design, we have this Kundan design. Black polish Kundan. It's a beautiful. Moving forward to the next design. This is one of our super hit designs. We call it Monal Gajjar design because this design was used for one of shows by Monal Gajjar, Big Boss fame, Telugu. So from then we have a huge demand for the design, so we call it on her name. See the shine of the stones, it's really pretty. Comes with this pair of earrings, my friends. Screw back and the loop. This is an Shubham Pulse exclusive piece. You will not find it everywhere over the online and other things. So yes, thank you ma'am, thank you for your support. Yes, we do ship across India, ma'am. The price for this is 4,800 rupees. This is Swarovski collection. For order and other details, you can reach us on this numbers. See, this is a store WhatsApp number. This is a store address, Instagram handle, Facebook handle, and you have Gmail account. So you can reach us over here, or you can direct reach us on WhatsApp for fast ordering. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching the video. The same would be posted in IGTV section and YouTube channel also. You can look into there. Thank you.